This thermal efficiency testing machine meets the production and incoming material inspection of water-cooled modules. It can be automatically tested with just one click, and the judgment criteria can be freely selected to ensure that the heat dissipation performance meets the standards. Dual-channel independent testing, with independent temperature measurement points inside the channel. This series of products provides testing for radiators and heat dissipation modules of computers, automobiles, communication base stations, mobile phones, and other products. It can test heat pipes, uniform heat plates, water-cooled plates, heat dissipation modules, etc. Professional R&D and manufacturer of thermal efficiency testing equipment for radiators, with 19 years of industry experience, supporting customization to meet different product needs.